Hey meat aficionados! Today we're tackling a topic juicier than a medium-rare steak, the carnivorous diet. But hold your barbecue sauce. This isn't your typical science lecture. We're here to serve up information that's as flavorful as it is informative. Ready to chew on the facts? Let's dive into the carnivorous feast. Now, before we sink our teeth into the meaty details, let's chat about you, the viewer. We're not here to dish out a snooze fest. We're serving a conversation. No complicated jargon. Just a friendly chat about whether science gives a thumbs up to the carnivorous lifestyle. We're skipping the filler. This is about you, your time, and making it as enjoyable as biting into a perfectly grilled burger. But wait, before we toss our intellectual salad, let's set the tone. Imagine starting your video with a hook so good, it could reel in a sea of carnivore enthusiasts. We're not tiptoeing into this. We're kicking off with a bang, like a carnivorous feast for your curiosity. So, stick around because we're about to serve up facts tastier than a bacon-wrapped filet mignon. Intrigued? Well, let's sink our teeth into the question, does science support the carnivorous diet? Get ready for a meaty exploration that's more exciting than a BBQ on a sunny day. Number 7. Supports muscle mass and strength. Now, let's catch the energy express and explore the powerhouse that fuels the carnivorous journey. It's about understanding how a meat-centric diet provides the energy punch your body craves. Picture it as boarding a train, where every bite propels you forward on the energy tracks. Imagine this. The protein content in meat is crucial for maintaining and building muscle mass. Athletes and individuals engaged in regular physical activity often benefit from the protein and amino acids found in meat to support muscle recovery and strength. Number 6. Brain health. It's not just about savoring the rich flavors of meat. It's about understanding the role of fats in a carnivorous diet. Picture it as a culinary journey where fats take center stage, making your taste buds dance. Imagine this. Some types of meat, particularly fatty fish like salmon, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are essential for brain health, supporting cognitive function, and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Number 5. Satiety and weight management. Let's take a leisurely stroll through the digestive gardens as we explore the impact of a carnivorous diet on gut health. Why? It's not just about feasting on meat, it's about understanding how the digestive system copes with a meat-heavy menu. Picture your gut as a garden, a place where the balance of flora is as crucial as selecting the right plants for a thriving oasis. Imagine this. Protein-rich foods, such as meat, can contribute to a feeling of fullness and satiety. Including lean meats in your diet may help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Number 4. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Let's zoom into the nutrient nugget of the carnivorous diet. Why? It's not just about enjoying a meaty feast. It's about unraveling the essential nutrients packed into that carnivorous delight. Picture it as the treasure trove your body is craving. Imagine this. Meat is a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, such as B12, B6, niacin, and riboflavin, iron, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients play crucial roles in energy metabolism, immune function, and maintaining healthy skin, among other functions. Number 3. Protein source. Let's shift gears, or should I say, turn up the volume to a protein palooza. Why? Well, it's not just about enjoying a juicy steak. It's about the rock-star qualities of protein in a carnivorous diet. We're not just talking about fuel for your muscles. We're diving into why protein is the VIP guest at the carnivorous party. Imagine this. Your body isn't just a temple, it's a concert venue, and protein is the headlining act. From muscle growth to energy levels, protein takes center stage in the carnivorous diet. But why is this palooza important? It's not just about enjoying a meaty melody, it's about understanding why a protein-packed diet can be your body's favorite playlist. Number 2. Complete amino acid profile. All right, carnivore enthusiasts, let's crank up the heat and throw our carnivorous feast into the ring for a meat versus veggies showdown. Why? Because it's not just about a carnivore's love affair with a good steak. It's about comparing nutritional values and finding out where a meat-heavy diet flexes its muscles or might need a little extra seasoning. Meat contains all the essential amino acids that the body cannot produce on its own. This makes it a complete protein source, ensuring that your body receives the necessary building blocks for various physiological processes. Number 1. Great source of iron. Animal-based iron, known as heme iron, is more easily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant sources. Adequate iron intake is important for preventing iron deficiency anemia. The historical bite step into our carnivorous time machine, where we're turning back the clock to a time when humans weren't sipping almond milk, the era of our OG meat-loving ancestors. No kale chips here, they were all about the real deal. But why? It's not just about being trendy, it's a primal journey into our roots. The origin of meat eating in humans dates back to the early stages of human evolution. The transition from a primarily plant-based diet to incorporating meat into the diet is considered a significant development in the evolutionary history of Homo sapiens. Several factors contributed to the inclusion of meat in the human diet. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you've relished this experience, and hit that subscribe button to join our carnivorous community. Your kitchen is not just a cooking space, it's a playground for culinary creativity, and the carnivorous lifestyle is your canvas. Stay tuned for more sizzling content, meaty wisdom, and gastronomic adventures. As we wrap up this chapter, remember, carnivore comrades, the flames of your carnivorous spirit burn brightly. Until our next feast of knowledge, keep those grills hot, your creativity simmering, and as always, happy feasting.
Dirty, no, I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy.